Well, that escalated quickly. Already got a cart full. Oh shoot, I just noticed they refilled the wall. Let's go dig. Y'all think it's supposed to be a horse? Let's head into the Goodwill Bins and do some thrifting and treasure hunting. It is busy right now. They hardly had any shopping carts. Oh my gosh, it's full of people. Ooh, lots of toys in these bins right here. I think this is actually a shawl because there's a label right here. Oh, it's 100% alpaca. It is very soft and I love the color. And this is what caught my eye. The little flowers on the edges. So I'm gonna get this, not to wear. Oh, this is cute too. But to kind of use as a blanket or to put in a basket, kind of coming out, the little flowers coming out. I don't know, I just like it. I'm gonna get it. They are rolling out new bins and it looks like they are changing out the wall on the other side and I didn't get to dig yet. I'm gonna try to look real quick before they take these away. Looks like it's pretty empty. I just snagged this cute little basket out the bin, but I don't know, it looks kind of wonky. I might be able to fix it. We'll add it to the cart for now. Let me check this side in case they start pulling it next. All right, lots of shoes. The shoes are supposed to be in the big bins over here, not on my wall. That's supposed to be filled with amazing things that we love. Okay, shoes, toys. Oh, I see some wood right here. That's just literally a piece of wood. I see a white pitcher. Chip right there, but I love the shape of it. I don't think this is an older piece, but that doesn't matter. I like it. It is going in the cart. See some more china down here. Christmas plate. That's another little Christmas one. It is. There's no handle on it. It's like a little bowl. It has some crazing and staining on it. I think it'd be cute with a Christmas tree in it. And I like this bowl as well. I think this one is older. Can't see. Say California, USA on there. Oh, I'm gonna get these two pieces right here. I really like this lampshade right here. Look at this texture. It's almost like seagrass wallpaper. But it is large. I don't think I have a lamp that will fit this, but I really like it. I feel like I'm gonna have a bigger lamp collection. I mean, I'm a bigger lampshade collection than I do a lamp. But, oh, you know what this could be? A basket. It could also be a basket. All right, it's going in my basket. Oh wow, this bin is full. Got a fridge, basket. Pillow's cute. Even got a Christmas tree in here. What's this wood? Ooh, a wood tree. Got some kind of residue right there. It's really big. I don't think I need a tray this big, but I'll just put it in my cart and think about it. There's lots of things in my cart. Some pillows, Christmas pillows. Oh, this is like an Advent pillow. That is really cute. And look, here's a little tiny present pillow that's attached. And you put it in the day that it is. I really like this. I feel like this would match the color scheme that I do for Christmas in my house. I'm gonna get it. There was a cute shabby chic comforter set in here. Here's some plaid pillows. I don't mind these, but I don't like the fur. It's a pink tree. Oh, two pink trees. Ren already has two pink trees, so she don't need any more. We'll leave that here. Little sign. And looks like they also have lots of clothing today. This pillow is cute, but has some bleeding right there. Well, that escalated quickly. Already got a cart full. ironing board, little Santa pillow. This is a big kind of ticking stripe pillow. That's pretty. Door hangers. Ooh, some canvases. Hope they got some amazing oil paintings. Jim painted this piece. Did Jim also paint this piece? He did. But Jim did not paint this piece. I found a bunch of these pink bins. I'm gonna grab them to put in Ren's closet and organize all of her shoes. Oh shoot, I just noticed they refilled the wall. Let's go dig. It looks like shoes and toys mostly. But gotta check. All I ended up finding was this metal hanger that is just screaming for DIY. What is this? It kind of looks like some little beans floating. I think it's a paperweight. But I don't know, I kind of like it. I'm gonna get it. I just found some very nice sketch pads. These are not cheap, and it looks like they only wrote in 1 or 2 pages, so I'm gonna get these for my kids. I think this is handmade. Little Americana bear. I don't think they made the ears quite big enough, but I still think it's cute. I do think it would look better with maybe a blue ribbon instead of a white one. We can fix that. Oh, look at the legs. Oh my gosh, somebody tried really hard on this. We have to rescue it. I think this might be another handmade piece. Y'all think it's supposed to be a horse? I have a ton of pillows out. Here's a whole bin of them. Christmas ones. Ooh, this one is so soft. Will this go in Ren's room? I don't know if the pink is right, but it's so soft. Forget about a lamp problem. I think I got a lampshade problem. Look how pretty this is. So these pleated lampshades are so in style now, but this one's really hard. Like, you're not gonna mess this up, and the color is perfection. How good would this look in my house? I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet. I don't know if I got a lamp for it, but we're gonna add it to the cart. I told y'all, you gotta keep coming back and checking all of the edges because people throw stuff back. Look what I just found. This precious little hand-painted ceramic piece. How perfect is this for Valentine's Day? And also this basket. I have not found one of these in a long time. You can hang it on the wall, or you could set it like this. It's the perfect size to put a little half sphere in, or you can put some fruit in it. How country cute is this tree skirt? I love the different patterns and the little ruffle on the end. It is precious. This is a big old basket. It's the kind of basket you want to put out if you want the Easter Bunny to bring you a lot of stuff. Oh, these little rusty Christmas trees are cute. They have 2 of them. They have some ribbon on the bottom. I would take that off. All right, add. There's no room in my cart. Where am I supposed to add this? Hey y'all, I just found 2 more hands to add to the hand collection we have going on at our house. It's happening again. I was about to leave and they are pulling the bins off the wall, so now I have to wait. I'm gonna dig through this wall, then I'm gonna roll out. So you gotta stand behind the yellow line and wait for them to let you know when it is okay to go dig. I just found this dress in a bin. I think it's so pretty and it might fit me. I'm not sure. It may be too small, but my husband said if it fits me, then he would take me somewhere fancy to eat so I can wear it. So I'll keep y'all posted. I see baskets. Ooh, this one is pretty. Anybody need a giant ceramic hamburger?
Been looking for that.
There you go, you found one. Alright, so far all I found is this basket, and that's not a good sign that nobody's digging right here. I'm assuming that means these bins are not that great. Shoes and toys, that's what they've been putting right here today. Well, I ended up with another cart full today. How did this happen? Should I take a break from the Goodwill Bins? This is a lot of stuff, but lots of cute stuff, y'all. Oh, also my son asked me to collect some dinosaurs for his friend's little girl, so I got some of those as well. Some baskets and goodies for the kids down here. Y'all leave a comment and let me know what is your favorite item that I got today. I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on all of this stuff, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure. Also, leave a comment if I should come back tomorrow or if I should take a break from the Goodwill Bins. Are you serious right now? I just checked out and they are changing the wall again. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's been shoes and toys. I'm leaving. Bye, y'all.